Hi, Sean here. Second video in our life insurance series that we wanted to get out. This one specifically addressing smoking. We've had the question plenty of times over the years, can I get insurance if I smoke? Will it be more expensive if I smoke? Do I need to apply with certain companies? We've also gotten the question, if I go X amount of time without smoking and I apply for life insurance, will I get a non-tobacco rate? Addressing that one quickly, just to dispel any myths. If you go a couple weeks without smoking, which most people can't if they smoke, but if you do and you take the exam, the blood and urine, there's a good chance that it might not come up. Nicotine might not come up in the exam results. If something, God forbid, happened and somebody passed away within that contestability period, that first 2 years of the policy when it's issued, and the life insurance company goes looking at doctor's records and they see that it was advised you quit smoking, a couple months before the application was done, they have the right to deny it. And unfortunately, a family will get stiffed. If it's outside of that contestability period, they have the right to say, well, that $30 a month you were paying for the non-tobacco rating at $500,000 in face amount, that same $30 would have gotten you about $125,000 at tobacco, and then they give the beneficiary $125,000 as opposed to the $500,000, which both situations are horrible and no good. There's a reason that you applied for $500,000 because that's what your family would need, and $125,000, while it will help, is not going to get the job done. So it's important when if you are a smoker, especially, that you apply with with an independent agency, because not every carrier has an appetite for tobacco. Some companies will severely penalize. Others, it's not all that bad. We've had it recently where it came out that one was tobacco. We were able to get the whole package moved, including the exam results, to the new carrier, and all it required was another 20-minute phone call, and the policy was issued with a new carrier at a better rate than it would have been with the first one. Something else to think about: if you do smoke and you do intend to quit, you can apply for a shorter term, and then after you quit, you get that policy replaced by a longer term with the amount of coverage that you need. That way, you're not sacrificing on coverage. You're sacrificing on term, but you're going to quit smoking, so you're going to replace that anyway. If you're not so sure, you want to quit, but you're not so sure that you're going to be able to, you might have to pay an extra few bucks by getting the full term that you need with the face amount that you need, and then in a few years when you do quit, or if you do quit, you can either get that policy re-rated or replaced based on your health condition at the time. So again, it's important that you apply with an independent agent, because you want to make sure that you're not paying too much right off the bat, and that you do have, should something come up with underwriting, you do have another alternative where it can be moved without having to go to another application, another exam, fasting again, and the whole bit. So if we can help in any way, let us know. Talk to you soon. Thank you.